Luxury Redefined. Stay to the end to uncover the hidden gem. The front view stuns with its pearl gray walls and olive green accents, blending modern elegance with earthy charm. Tall windows reflect the sky, while custom lighting highlights the bold geometry of the structure. Sleek balconies and a grand doorway pull you into a world of opulence. Every detail is intentional, crafted to impress at first glance. It's a mansion that speaks style and silence in the same breath. A powerful first impression made timeless. From the back, the mansion is even more breathtaking with its layered terraces and soft curves. Olive-trimmed glass rails and shaded decks bring character to every corner. Outdoor lounges align perfectly with the natural tones of the exterior. There's a sense of balance, luxury without loudness. Every curve complements the garden and pool layout beyond. It's the kind of view that makes leaving impossible. Nature blends with design. The outdoor elegance is next level. The garden is pure tranquility, wrapped in manicured greens and paved pearl pathways. Olive planters and ceramic sculptures give the space an artistic edge. A calming water feature trickles softly between lush hedges. Flower beds pop in subtle hues, perfectly matching the home's palette. Every element feels hand-picked for harmony. It's more than a garden. It's a peaceful retreat. The pool glistens under a soft sun, its edges lined with smooth pearl gray stone. A wooden deck with sunbeds offers a perfect spot to unwind. Olive-toned umbrellas provide a splash of charm and shade. Crystal-clear water mirrors the sky, giving a dreamy spa-like feel. Nearby, an open bar with marble accents completes the vibe. This isn't just swimming, it's indulging. The grand entrance is nothing short of cinematic. Double olive green doors open to high ceilings and a dazzling chandelier. Pearl-toned walls stretch upward with artistic paneling. The flooring sparkles, matching the grandeur with grace. An aroma of fresh flowers and warmth fills the space. You instantly know you've entered a masterpiece. Comfort meets class. Wait till you see the textures inside. The living room feels like a designer's daydream, wrapped in light grays and olive textiles. Plush seating surround a glass fireplace, glowing warmly. Giant windows invite natural light to dance across marble floors. Art pieces hang with purpose, adding emotion to the atmosphere. Everything flows, nothing feels forced. Comfort and luxury live side by side here. The kitchen is sleek and structured, with olive cabinets and pearl countertops. Built-in appliances disappear into the modern layout. Pendant lights hang like jewelry over a marble island. Every drawer, every finish screams craftsmanship. There's space to create and space to gather. This kitchen is where function meets flair. The dining hall is set for unforgettable nights. A long olive-wood table glows under golden lighting. Velvet chairs hug guests in elegance, while the open space breathes freely. Wall panels shimmer subtly in shades of gray. The vibe is upscale yet intimate. Every dinner here feels like a celebration. A suite made for royalty, this next space is pure dream fuel. The master bedroom is a serene escape, wrapped in warm olive accents and pearl linens. A wall-to-wall headboard adds a regal backdrop to the king bed. Natural light pours in through motorized sheer drapes. Soft rugs, a cozy fireplace, and curated art elevate the ambience. There's peace in every corner. It's a personal paradise built for royalty. The walk-in closet is a boutique lover's fantasy. Custom shelves line the walls in a sleek olive tone. Built-in lighting showcases shoes and accessories like jewels. Full-length mirrors expand the space visually and emotionally. There's room to store style and inspire daily looks. It's not just storage, it's an experience. The bathroom is modern spa perfection. Twin sinks rest on floating pearl vanities, opposite a freestanding soaking tub. Olive accents frame the mirrors and fixtures with subtle richness. A rain shower behind glass invites total relaxation. Marble tiling shimmers under ambient lighting. This is where stress ends and serenity begins. The garage is bold and brilliant, fitting this mansion's luxury standard. Pearl gray floors reflect the LED lighting above, giving a showroom vibe. Olive striping adds character along the walls. Inside, luxury cars wait, sleek, fast, and flawless. It's not just a space for cars. It's an extension of style. Even the garage has class here. Thanks for joining this elite mansion tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury experiences. Stay tuned for more luxury content. Your dream lifestyle starts here.